up, guys? This is Roscoe down at Wilkins. We just recently installed an AiR-A system in Jeffrey McNamara's touring bike here. Pretty much it's a cut and dry system. We added the air shocks, put the compressor up underneath the frame. On this model here, he wanted us to put an air gauge in so he can actually adjust how much air he actually has in his air shocks. And it's a pretty simple setup. Hook the battery power ground, and you get your controls up on your hand controls so you can adjust it as you go. It's simply just push the button. You hear the compressor spool up, and actually you'll see your gauge start to climb. Once the bike gets an appropriate amount of pressure, it will start to lift, and you can usually run them right up to. I usually like to go about 7. It'll take about 70-75 before it stops operating. I mean, that's with the shocks fully extended. It does have a little indicator light on here that will let you know when you start to hit the dangerous pressures. I wouldn't go any more than 70-75, and then all you do is hit the button. And you can drop the gauge down, and you can kind of set your air pressure to where where you're most comfortable with it. And you can drop it right down to literally nothing if that's what you choose. When you get to a parking spot, or just push the button, and bring it back up.